Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're diving into a powerful and future-ready motherboard that's built for serious gamers and creators, the ASUS TUF Gaming B850-PLUS Wi-Fi. If you're planning to build a next-gen AMD system, this motherboard is designed around the latest AM5 platform, supporting Ryzen processors with impressive stability and performance. Right away, what stands out is the 14+2+1 power stage design rated at 80 amps. That means you're getting solid power delivery, ideal for overclocking and maintaining performance under heavy workloads like gaming, streaming, or rendering. Now let's talk memory. This board supports DDR5 RAM, giving you faster speeds and better efficiency compared to older DDR4 systems. Pair that with PCIe 5.0 support, and you're set for ultra-fast GPUs and storage devices, making your system truly future-proof. Storage is also a big win here. You get 3 M.2 slots, so you can install multiple NVMe SSDs for blazing fast load times and massive storage flexibility. Whether it's gaming libraries or 4K video files, this board has you covered. Connectivity is where this motherboard really shines. It comes with Wi-Fi 7, which is the latest wireless standard offering faster speeds, lower latency, and improved stability. You also get 2.5 GB LAN for ultra-fast wired internet, perfect for competitive gaming or large file transfers. On the rear I/O, ASUS gives you plenty of options, including USB 10 Gbps and even 20 Gbps Type-C ports for lightning-fast data transfer. You also get HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, which are great if you are using integrated graphics. And let's not forget ASUS's signature durability. The TUF series is known for military-grade components, enhanced cooling solutions, and long-term reliability. Features like BIOS flashback make updates super easy, even without a CPU installed. So overall, the ASUS TUF Gaming B850-PLUS Wi-Fi is a well-balanced motherboard that offers performance, durability, and cutting-edge features all in one package. If you're building a high-performance AMD PC, this is definitely one to consider. Check out the link in the description to grab yours, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech reviews on Gadgetverse.